Sometimes, it may seem that since we abandoned the explorations of the moon, it has not happened much for us, the humans of space. Nothing could be further from the truth with bioengineers and many other scientists who search the stars and beyond to find ways to develop technologies that help in space. Many of these same technologies are used to help us here on the ground, even if we do not realize it. NASA executives theorized that there should be a way to use data collected on Earth to help developing nations. The focus was on environmental improvements for 30 countries with a state of development in countries such as Nepal, Panama and the African Center. The project is jointly funded by USAID and NASA with the objective of using technical intelligence and a unique space-oriented perspective to provide information that would not be too accessible for impoverished nations in need. 20 people at the Marshall Space Flight Center work at server to provide information to decision-makers throughout the network. In one case, an earthquake in Nepal prompted the server team to take measures to reassign the satellites of their original route to capture live images to help the first responders. While we all complain that the weather is annoyingly inaccurate, in fact it is not fair. When a hurricane is detected, we receive warnings before your arrival so that cities can begin preparations. The last destination may change from Panama City to New Orleans in a recent change, but it still helps immediate response teams prepare and local residents to stock up on essentials and choose anything that cannot stand a major storm. The weather updates that we all receive in our applications, which are updated every few minutes, come from meteorological satellites that were originally a NASA development at the Goddard Space Flight Center.